Hello children, good morning to you all. As we know, government has declared and extended our holidays so that we can't meet each other. We cannot continue our studies. It will be a hindrance, a problem. Without classes, without studies, we cannot stay away from the studies like that. That's why, as per ma'am's instructions, we are taking video classes for you. So, I hope you all can listen to me, watch the videos, download it. We are sending through our class groups, and you please watch the videos and listen to our lessons carefully. And after the lesson is over, we are going to give you the notes as well. So, let us begin with our second lesson in social studies. First of all, good morning to you all children. Let us start our day with the lesson in social studies. Second lesson of social studies. Okay. So I hope you all can watch the video because it cannot be taught again in the class. Understand, only these three days we can use it. That's why after coming to school back, we are going to write the notes, discuss, and we are into our script tests and all. So it's not possible for us after coming to school teaching again the same lesson. That's why please do watch the video carefully. Understand? So let us start our lesson. Our lesson is maps. This is our first session. Okay. This is our first session of the video class. So, our lesson is maps. Already I have given an introduction in the class itself. I told you what is map, why do we need map. But once again, doesn't matter. I will give you an introduction of the lesson. So as the word itself tells, many a times in our first lesson also I showed you the continents and the oceans on the map. It is nothing but the drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Map is nothing but a drawing of the earth. Earth on a flat surface. Okay. On a flat surface. Okay, nothing. Map is nothing but the drawing of the earth on a flat surface. This is explained earlier also before we started to study for our slip test. Okay. So, why we need the map is the second question. Already I have shown you the globe. Yeah, this globe. And I told you all about the globe. Why it is needed, how it is useful, what it shows, everything. What are the imaginary lines of the globe? Everything we have learnt. But the thing is, next we are using the maps. Maps are nothing but the drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Why we need map then? Why can't we study the earth or read the earth only with the help of this globe? It is because, first of all, its usefulness let us know. Then why we need map, I will tell you. We already came to know that globe is a exact model of the earth, true model of the earth, a very small model of the earth. Understand? I'm taking a class in my hall today for you, but you know one thing, this hall is just a dot, a very, very, very minute part of the earth. Understand? So, if you go on making a globe, very big one, we cannot even carry it, we cannot even see it. It is highly impossible. So, we have got a small model of the earth. If you look at the earth through from the space, it exactly looks like this. It exactly looks like this. Understand? That's why we have made this model of the earth. It can be this much or even this much, your toy shape, or this much or this much, not more than that. Understand? Here, we, by one thing we can understand, only we know about the exact shape of the countries, continents, and even the islands also. Even on map also we see the same thing, is it not? We see the map, on the map, same continents we can see, countries we can see, even the states we can see, and we can also see the cities. So many things of same kind. Understand? But here, if I hold a map or I look at it very minutely, only some important countries are shown in every continent. Here you see, this is the map of North America. North America is divided into three countries. One is Canada, USA, and Mexico. Only these three countries we can see. We cannot see what are the cities in Canada, what are the places in USA or in Mexico. Same with all other continents also. Understand? And we cannot study the curves of the earth, or I can say the dimensions of the earth. All sides of the earth we cannot see on this globe. Understand? This is one drawback. Drawback means disadvantage of the map. Demerit of the map means problem while using we face. Demerit means what? The problem which we negative uh, ness of this map, I can say. Okay, why we need, then what happens, you know? What are those demerits of the globe which forced us to use the map? As we have some problems with this globe, we are compulsorily using the map for our study of Earth. Now you understood why do we need a map on the flat surface? It is because there are some problems. We face some problems to study the earth as a whole, or any country as a whole, or continent as a whole, with the help of this small model of the earth. Though it is very accurate model, very correct model, even then also we are unable to see. We are unable to see all the parts of the country or all the parts of the world on this map. This is one problem. Second problem is we cannot carry it easily anywhere we go or wherever we go. We cannot carry it. If you want to carry, it will be a problem. It takes more place. Understand? And if we carry very big, what to say, very big globe, it is a problem. We can't carry it in the bus, train, or not even in your own car also. It will be taking more place. Okay. Third thing is, we cannot see all the dimensions of the earth, all the parts of the earth, curves of the earth, all the sides of the earth. Now, I have the map in my hand. I am showing you here. Africa. I'm showing you here Africa. Other parts of the earth can you see at a time? No. Only you can see Africa in front of you. All other parts are at the back side of this globe. Understand? We cannot see all the parts at a time. This is one more problem. Third problem is every nook and corner we cannot see. So, these are the problems we face while studying the earth with the help of this globe. What are they? We cannot carry it everywhere as it is bigger in size, and we cannot make as big as possible we need. Secondly, we cannot see all the dimensions of the earth with the help of this globe. Third thing is we cannot see the whole of the earth at a time with the help of this globe. Understand? That's why the people felt the need of making a map. Understand? So I will show you the map also. I will show you the map also. How it is better than this globe. And even on the map also we cannot see everything very clearly. And while making the maps, there are some mistakes. There are some mistakes. But it is better than the globe. It is better than the globe. And you know, the person who makes the map or the scientist who makes the map is called a cartographer. Cartographer. And he is a person who makes the map. It is not an easy task, children. It takes lot of time, lot of study, everything to do it. And the art of making map is called cartography. Art of making map is called cartography. It is an art of making a map. But it is also not free from demerits. Map is also not free from any demerits. Here also we have some mistakes in the map. But these cartographers try to minimize these mistakes and try to make it as correct as possible. Understand? And only the best way, the best thing we can study with the map is whether you study the whole of the world, whether you study the whole of the continent, whether you study the whole of the island, whether you study the whole of the city or country, we can see it completely on the map. Let me show it with the help of this map. This is the map of India. It is on a flat surface. You can see complete India, all the states, and each and every place in every state we can see in this map. It is bigger. So, is it not the whole country showed here? Yes or no? And you can see even the neighboring countries also like Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, etc. Myanmar, Bhutan, Tibet, all these places. Okay? Same way I will show you the world also. World map. This is the map of the world, children. Yes? This is the map of the world. You can see all the continents at a time. But when you see at that globe, let me hold it and show. You can see only Africa here. All other parts are at the back side. If you see back side, Africa will be back side. If you see North America and South America, other places are at the back. In this way, on the globe, you cannot see all the places, all the continents, all the countries at a time. But here on this map, you can see all the places of North America, all the places of South America, all the places of Africa, all the places of Europe, all the places of Asia, Australia, and of course Antarctica. So at a time you can see the complete picture of the earth over here, and you can see each and every continent. In that continent you can see each and every country also. So many are there. Here India is a country, Saudi Arabia is a country, China is a country, Australia, like that here Canada, USA, Mexico, understand? Here Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Colombia, so on. All the countries you can see here. This is the benefit we have reading the map. Understand? So now is it clear why map is better than the globe? Map is better than the globe because we can see the complete picture of the required place, whether it can be a continent, country, or a state, etc. So, drawing of the map on a flat surface is called map. It is just a drawing. Understand? Now I showed you the map on what it is drawn on a piece of paper. If I draw here just India, I know it the only country to draw. India, if I draw, I drew it on a wooden plank. Board is a wooden plank. We can draw it on a flat wall also, on the surface of the wall. We can draw it on the surface of the land also. Only thing is, we can draw it on a flat surface. Okay. This is all about the map. Now, we can know about the types of maps. What did you see in the map I shown you just now? We saw the continents, we saw the countries, etc. Understand? Generally, we have three types of maps. Three types of maps we have. First one is called political map. Second is called physical map. Third one is called thematic map. Thematic map. Let us know about them, about these three terms one by one. Maps are of three types. How many types of maps we have? Three types. They are political map, physical map, and thematic map. What is political map? Political map is the one which shows the boundaries of the countries. Understand? Boundaries between the countries, boundaries between the states, boundaries between the districts also. Understand? We can see the boundary with in the map with a thick red line. Understand? And next is, so it is called political boundaries, I can say. The map which shows the political boundaries between the countries, between the continents, or between the cities, or between the states, they are called political maps. Then physical maps. The maps which show us the different forms, landforms of the earth. The map which shows us different landforms on the earth is called physical map. Physic means what? Shape. Understand? Physic means solid figure, I can say you. Okay. Physical map shows us the different landforms on the earth. What are the different landforms on the earth? They can be deserts, plains, rivers, mountains, seas, oceans, all are on the earth. Countries, continents, etc. Understand? Different landforms of the earth are deserts, plains, mountains and hills, rivers, seas and oceans, forests, coast, island, valley, bay, etc. Delta. So many things we can find on the. Understand? The map which shows us such solid figure of these parts on the earth or the features on the earth, they are called physical maps. Then what are thematic maps? Thematic maps are made taking one theme into consideration. Theme ante topic. Taking one topic into consideration, they are made. Understand? What are these themes? A map can be of only about the rivers in the country. All rivers are shown, important rivers. Or you can see important forest areas in the country. Or you can see the national parks and bird sanctuaries, etc. on the map. We can see the types of soils, types of minerals, crops, rainfall, routes, train routes and roadways. These all are called themes. Taking one theme into consideration. If soils are shown, only soils you can see in different colors. Because we have different types of soil. Last year you learned red soil, black soil, alluvial soil, mountain soil, desert soil, etc. So different colors are used to show different this thing. Only the theme is soils. Minerals means you can see only the minerals with different shapes they will show you. And crops means all the crops with small pictures of the crop you can see on this physical map. Taking into consideration only one topic it is made, so it is called thematic map. These three are different types of maps. Now next thing is we can see all the maps bound together. Every continent separately, world as a whole, every country as a whole, every state, every country, its themes, all maps are bound together in the form of a book. This book of maps is called atlas. Understand? A book of maps is called an atlas. Understand? You can find all the, as you have a textbook, any notebook, same way, so many pages bound together is a book, is it not? Same way, all the maps bound together on a flat paper, it is a atlas. Atlas is nothing but a book of maps. Understand? Then, how to read? This is done. We have to read the map. I will show you, you have to get the atlas. In the class, I will show you how to read the map properly, in detail. We have some elements to read the maps. Next comes elements of the map. They are even called the languages of the map. Elements of the map. Understand, we need four main elements to read the map. First is directions, east, west, north, south. Second is scale. Third is colors. Fourth is symbols. Fourth is symbols. These are the four elements of the map which enable us, which help us to read the map easily in a detailed way. Understand? So, we are going in our next class, that's tomorrow, we are going to study these elements, their importance, their figures, their diagrams in detail. Okay. So here we stop today. What we learned today? What is map? What are the difficulties we face while using the globe? And how map is made? Whether there are some mistakes? What we call the person who makes the map? What are the different types of maps? How map is useful? How map is useful, I did not tell you. Map is useful because just now I showed you the map and just rolled it and put in this corner. So map, as it is rolled in the small way, you can carry it easily anywhere you go. So map is better than the globe. And we can see Earth as a whole on the map. Whatever part we are going to study, we can see it completely on the map, whereas we cannot see it completely on the globe. And every detailed part of the place we can read on it. That's why map is better than the globe. Okay. Then with the help of these elements, directions, scales, colors and symbols, we can study the map easily. What are the different elements of the earth? Directions, scale, colors and symbols. So this is the end of today's session, children. Tomorrow we continue with the explanation about the elements, how they are useful and what are these elements, etc. So here we stop. Thank you. I hope you people will watch the video, understand the concept and read first two pages, both the leaves of the page, both the sides of the page. Only one complete page I taught you today. Okay. So let us stop here. Thank you.